Exciting news about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. A recent leak spilled the beans on a cool feature called Nigra Zoom, designed for taking clear photos from a distance, even when it's dark. But that's not all. The S24 Ultra might also have a unique camera feature that's not common in most smartphones: the ability to record 4K videos at a stunning 120 frames per second, FPS. Our trusty source for leaks, Ice Universe, spilled the beans on this exciting development. However, it's essential to remember that the 4K at 120 FPS video recording feature is still in the testing phase and might not make it to the final product. Now, let's dive into the camera setup. The rumor mill suggests that the S24 Ultra could sport a quad camera arrangement, including an impressive 200 megapixels primary camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, a 10 megapixels telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50 megapixels telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. The star of the show is likely to be the primary camera, delivering those crystal clear 4K videos at 120 FPS. These exciting camera upgrades are expected to be unveiled on January 17th. What are your thoughts on these improvements? Feel free to share your excitement in the comments. Camera with flash rocket.